Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to set the safety settings for our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. This setup is absolutely crucial for safe and efficient temperature control and perfect results. Let's have a look at the PRESTO menu. Here you can choose the sub-menu Adjust Safety, where you will find the temperature limits, the pressure limits and the flow limits. The button Flow Limits will only be displayed if the required equipment is attached and configured. Temperature limits can be set by a minimum and maximum set point. The sub and over temperature define the working temperature and will emit an acoustic warning signal if the temperature crosses the limits. You can additionally set the maximum allowed temperature gradient per minute during heating up and cooling down. To control the pressure limits adapted to your external application, you can set the maximum pump stage. You can also set a maximum pressure set point. To monitor the pressure in the system, you can set an upper and lower pressure warning. You can also set the pressure limit and the peak pressure limit. Exceeding the pressure limit for more than 5 seconds leads to an alarm cutoff and error message. Exceeding the peak pressure limit leads to a direct alarm cutoff and error message. The flow rate set point will be limited by the minimum and maximum set point in liters per minute, and you can define a warning value for an upper and lower limit. The high temperature cutoff for the tank and the reservoir only can be changed with a screwdriver in front of the PRESTO and offers maximum protection that also withstands a security check. The exact value will appear in the display. We recommend 15 degrees above the working temperature set point for the tank and 25 degrees below the heat transfer liquid splash point for the reservoir. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.